This is a super quick video for a Thingiverse thing I made years ago, but it totally needs a video because it's the best blower for these machines. This is thing 4121684. It's an air blower for the ancient Makerbot 3D printer clones. It's printed in PLA, but it doesn't sag under the heat of both extruders because of its wooden splints. It's powered by two 12-volt squirrel cage blower fans, wired in series for 24 volts. It has a switching plate, so you can turn off the airflow to any extruder or limit the flow. It has LED spotlights, and you can see under it, you can see above it, and you can see through to the nozzle, so you can see what that nozzle is always doing. As usual, the download link is below. This is totally free. Like and subscribe.